thinking? Flying out on a night not fit for bat nor beast!
What's that? Just the wind, Sagwa. Go back to sleep. Maybe it wasn't such a good idea to camp out in the clubhouse tonight. Maybe we should go back down too. I knew I heard something.
The wind. Stop hogging the blanket and stop being such a fraidy cat.
Psst. Hey, Sagwa, Dongwa.
Sagwa, go to sleep.
I didn't say anything.
Sagwa. Sagwa. Sagwa.
Mama, Baba! Mama, Baba! Mama, Baba! They might be in the kitchen.
Oh, the poor magistrate today. Tai insisted they go on their afternoon stroll. But he said, "It's crazy to go out on a day like this." Tai-Tai's hat spun in the wind, and when she let go of the magistrate, he started spinning too. His imperial robes were bitten by a dragon statue, and Tai-Tai's sleeve dogs almost became sleeve birds.
I'm sorry. I shouldn't laugh. But you tell it so well, my dear. It was almost as if I was whirling in the wind with them.
Well, thank goodness everything was sorted out in the end, and no one was hurt.
Have I ever told you the legend of the Meow, the ghost cat? It was in the time of an ancient dynasty during a wild and windy night, very much like tonight.
Everyone at the bat colony said, "Foo-foo, you're nuts to go out. You won't catch any bugs in this wind." I said, "Oh, yeah? I'll have so many bugs blowing my way. I'll have to open a bug stand in a market." Huh? Hey! Hey! Sagwa!
The ghost cat, Meow, floats over the village, ever searching for a home. The first sign that the ghost cat has entered your house is...
Ghost cat?
The first sign is... when the shutters rattle. The second sign of the Meow is when its shadow drifts through the room. But the third and final sign that the Meow has arrived is when the lantern blows out. Looks like there's no ghost cat here.
Oh, yeah. You almost had me there. You make it sound so real. Sagwa, you should have been asleep hours ago.
It's so scary up in the attic. All the wind and the and the wind.
That's all right, dear. You don't have to camp up there tonight. You can sleep in your own bed.
But I don't want to miss our clubhouse camp out. And I don't want Dongwa to think I'm afraid. That I'm scared.
Don't worry, I'll take her back up. Maybe I'll even tell you a little story.
Not a scary one.
Then Dongwa grabbed the blanket like this. That was really rude. Then he called me a Fraidy cat.
Oh, being careful when you don't know about something doesn't mean you're a fraidy cat.
Oh. Yeah. What would happen if the lantern went out?
Oh, not much for us cats. We can see really well in the dark. Now, humans on the other paw, they go, "Hey, who put out the lights? Where am I? I can't see a thing. What's that? A stair." Now who's a fraidy cat?
Not me.
You see, sometimes when you're frightened, it turns out the scary thing was just something silly, like a stair.
Yeah, something silly like the Gwai Meow.
What was that, Sagwa?
Nothing. Nothing. Do that funny walk again.
One on, Sagwa.
That's it. I give up. You won, Wind. I'll just wait for you to blow over. Great bats in the belfry. It's uncomfortable all upside down like this. Much better. Rock-a-bye Batty in his deep cave.
The Gwai Meow. What? Where?
Why?
First sign. Rattling shutters. Gwai Meow. Ghost cat. Gwai Meow.
Oh, Sagwa, go to sleep.
Now, Sagwa. There are no ghosts here. You've just had a bad dream.
And when the wind blows...
It wasn't a dream, Sagwa. I heard Yaya tell Mama and Bob about the ghost cat. The Gwai.
Oh, Sagwa, that's just one of Yaya's old spooky fables.
And the Gwai Meow is invisible. It can be anywhere. The second sign is when you see its shadow, and...
If the Gwai Meow is invisible, how can it make a shadow?
Oh, yeah. How could it? The shadow of the Gwai Meow!
Sagwa, I just told you there is no Gwai.
Meow!
Now there are 2 Fraidy cats.
Dongwa, cut it out. She's really scared.
Oh, come on. I was only joking around.
Still not comfy. Now, if I wrap this wing like this...
Third sign. The lantern's gone out. Gwai Meow's
It's got me! The ghost cat got me! Gwai Meow's got me!
Hang on, Sagwa! It's just a lantern, Dongwa. It's not Gwai Meow.
I helped save Dongwa from a ferocious paper lantern.
What's that?
It's only Foo-Foo.
Only Foo-Foo? Well, I'm sorry to be so much of a disappointment.
Hi, Foo-Foo. Good night, Foo-Foo.
That's what we all need, a good night's sleep.
Oh, Donghua. You were so scared.
I wasn't scared, just a little startled. That's all.
It's like Yaya said. Sometimes what scares you turns out to be something silly, like a lantern or Foo-Foo.
Hey, wait a minute. I'm a bat. I don't sleep at night. And I'm not something silly.
Sagwa, I'm sorry for scaring you and calling you a fraidy cat.
That's okay, Donghua.
Oh. Yeah. Well, maybe I'll give this weird sleeping at night thing a whirl. But I'm not sleepy. Got any good bedtime stories?
I heard a good one from Yaya tonight. You see, there's this
Good night, everybody.
such a Fraidy cat.